How to add ghost effect on CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add the ghost effect on CapCut. Well, the process is simple. You want to simply open up your CapCut application. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on new project and you want to add up the video that you wish to add the ghost effect on, right? Now once you add it, you should get an face like this. Now here you want to tap on overlay option and then tap on add overlay, and then you want to simply select the same video again. If you wish to add some effects, you can add some effects right here as well. Now once you add it, what you want to do is you want to head into the point. You can simply crop the video to the part that you wish to start the overlay effect. I'll just start it from here up to the point that you wish to end it, and you can simply split the video and you can simply tap on it and you can delete it. Now what you can do is you can select the video and you can add the animation effects on in and out here if you wish to, that is. Now if you don't want, you can simply not do it, but I'll just add something here. Now once you do so, what you want to do is you want to tap on OK here at the bottom of your screen, and now on the video, on the overlay, first make sure to size it to the exact video that you have. Right now here you can see. Now what you want to do is you want to tap on blend, and here on normal you want to select it to up to 40% or the effect that you wish, and you can zoom in a little if you wish to. And here if you see here, the ghost effect will be added. So this way you can add ghost effect to your video on CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.